I'm so lucky today. Check this out, two ladies next to me, and I come specially from Sanur, pick up my mama, my wife living with me obviously, but we come specially to North Ganyar, Ubud area for eating babi guling, but I don't even like babi guling. This is just to make everybody happy. I think it's very good. True love, yes sayang.
Then we took her to the special babi guling, where nowadays it's very hits and hype. So you will see later on, you know, like there's so many people behind us, even in the waiting list.
We not even mentioned that we was waiting like 25 minutes in the heat just to get a table, and I don't even like babi guling, guys.
Let's ask my mama. Ma, senang nggak, Ma?
Senang.
So this is the place where we are today for our family babi guling fest, I could say. Brings my mother-in-law, Winnie. As you see, the place is quite busy. So many people enjoying their babi guling. Beautiful rice fields at the just the landscape, the view from the restaurant. So many people actually, mostly local Balinese, but also so many Jakarta people and other islands of Indonesia. But I believe they are mostly, because obviously this is not halal food. This is the babi, which is pork. The place is quite busy. We was waiting in the quiet, very long queue. Cool surprise, they have a coffee right now and ice creams. So many people. We was waiting like 25 minutes in the queue. Currently the queue is slightly smaller, I could say, but still so many people, so many coconuts. You have a satay. They're grilling the satay. Also you can have a satay if you don't like babi guling, like me for example. Kitchen, one more time, I'm gonna show you. So busy. And babi guling. Yo, what's up? And the babi is here. Check this out. So beautiful, isn't it? And I believe taste also the same.
So as my mama is here with me, and then maybe most of you never see my mama before. See, she has a smile like me.
Hello, Mama.
Mak, senang nggak punya mantu bule, Mak?
Senang.
Oh, she's happy having mantu bule. Kenapa senang, Mak?
Ganteng. Very handsome.
So yeah, she is, you know, like almost 3 hours in the car, and then she's just happy. But when driving with my dad, she's not happy.
Oh, check this out. The food also arrived right now. She have,
Okay, yeah, satunya satu.
she have so many traces actually.
Oh.
This is all for us, no?
Yes, I
All?
think so. Yeah, I think so. Let's see.
Looks beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, see, my mom also want bungkus.
Take away. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
This is not my foodie channel yet, but I'm happy to share what we have for lunch because my mama already craving for this for years, you know. Okay, we have this one, babi guling special, right? And we have the lawar, and we have this one, and the, you know, the crunchy skin. We have also urutan, and we have sate babi because Damian doesn't eat babi guling at all.
No, I don't like it, but
So,
satay is nice.
This
Looking
one sate
nice.
babi for Damian, and we also have the kuah ares like this, you know, made from the stem of the banana with the pork inside. So this one is non-halal food.
Non-halal, so
Okay, so now we'll take the skin of the pork like this. Look, this one, yeah. You will see the crunchy. So good.
sayang, your mama laughing at you.
Mama always laugh. Okay, smacznego, selamat
Smash
makan.
go. Mama,
Yeah.
yeah, you prefer babi guling or pizza?
Mama
Babi
suka.
guling.
Babi guling.
Mama suka babi guling.
No pizza then in the family dinners lah. No pizzas, no McDonald's, no burgers, only like this. Alright guys, we are after eating our food, our Sunday brunch actually, I could say, like a family brunch. As you can see, it's quiet, a lot of people everywhere, not mention even about the parking area. Anyway, if you are curious how much we paid for all, we paid 169,000 rupiah, which is about 13 American dollars or something like that. And one portion is also takeaway for the father, for the papa, right? So I think it's worth it if you like babi guling or you like pork and you are no halal food customer. I think it's very highly recommended place for you. And now it's time to go to Ubud, have a look. And the coffee time. All right, so it's the coffee time, as you see. Today a little bit different than usual.
Okay, so my mama already sleepy, you know, in the car because eating babi guling, and we just decided stop for coffee. And here we are in Ubud now, having a coffee and cake. And then also let's have a talk with my mama and talk and ask mama how she thinks about Damian.
Oh, that's going to be very interesting, I guess.
Okay, so we also have a jamu, guys. Cheers. Damian doesn't like it. Jamu, mak. My mama now with me drinking jamu. Cheers, guys.
And this is only jamu, not vodka or anything,
So
okay?
good. Okay, now let's have a talk with my mama. What she likes about Damian. Mak, apa yang mama suka sama Damian, mak?
Baik,
Baik ya?
polos,
Polos,
sabar,
sabar.
ganteng.
That's the most important.
So my mama said Damian is very handsome, good and patient. He's patient. Okay. So menurut mama apa yang lucu dari Damian yang menurut mama apa ya? Aduh, Damian yang mama nggak suka dari Damian. What you don't like about Damian?
Nggak mau belajar bahasa Indonesia. Nggak mau belajar bahasa Indonesia.
That's so painful actually, but yeah.
Damian so lazy learning bahasa Indonesia because my mama doesn't speak English very well, you know.
Ngerti bahasa Inggris.
Because my mama doesn't speak English very well. So honey, you have to learn ya, learn more. Sabar. Okay guys, so before I ask my mom what she likes about Damian, what she doesn't like about Damian, so now let's ask Damian regarding to my mama. Honey,
Yes.
what do you like about my mama?
Oh, she's very nice mother-in-law, what I can say. But it's also one thing what I don't like about my mother-in-law, which is she don't want to learn how to speak English. She asked me to learn Bahasa Indonesia, but she don't want to learn English itself, so yeah.
So you got battle now, yeah?
Yeah, it's little butter. It cannot be only good, it cannot be only good, you know what I mean?
Now the second question to battle. Ibu, I will ask my mom, what does she hope for Damian? I mean, like what she's thinking about Damian's in the future. What she wish, what she hope. Mak, apa harapannya mama ke depannya, masa depannya nanti untuk Damian, mak?
Harapan ibu, Damian membahagiakan Winnie, rukun sampai kakek nenek, sampai ibu punya cucu.
Apalagi, mak?
Apa ya? Ya itu aja, yang penting bahagia aja.
Okay, I will just translate what my mama hopes. My mama hopes that Damian can and Winnie live happily ever after until having my mama has a grandchildren later on in the future. Okay, something like that. Live in peace and harmony. So something like that. Very nice wish. Okay, guys. So that's my question to my mama about what she hopes or she wishes about Damian. So now let's ask Damian, honey. So what do you wish or what do you hope for my mama?
Only one thing, is she gonna learn speak English? Very simple.
Ma, habis ini belajarlah bahasa Inggris. Capek.
Tiring. Alright, if you wonder where we are in Casaluna in Ubud. We've been here already a few times. They have a beautiful coffee and cakes and stuff like this. That was our family, wife and mother day, I could say, my mother-in-law. I hope so you enjoyed. Little bit different concept today, trying to making more happy vlogs than showing you empty streets and empty buildings as everywhere elsewhere. Probably nothing gonna change, so probably will be many changes about my channel and my concept of the videos in the future. I hope so you enjoyed. I also hope you will have opportunity to see my mama in Poland in this year, somehow on the videos, whenever I or we both together with Winnie go to Poland. I hope so I gonna make it in this year. Many changes in this year. I hope so it's not gonna be another year only stuck with the similar stuff what was last year. Say hi to Winnie's mother. This is Winnie mom. So maybe if she will see many comments about the mama, something like that, she will be more happy to make more videos if you enjoy it. And as always, I will see you on next one. See ya, take care guys.